Just when you thought your ChatGPT conversations were private, a shocking glitch has revealed otherwise. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for all the tech news. Some users' chats with OpenAI's ChatGPT were reportedly leaking into Google's Search Console, exposing personal queries to anyone using the system. For those unfamiliar, GSE is a tool for developers to monitor website traffic, and definitely not a place where you can expect your private AI chats to end up. According to Ars Technica, OpenAI has fixed the issue, saying the glitch affected only a small number of search queries. Still, the revelation raises serious questions about how secure your conversations really are. Jason Packer of consulting firm Quantable was one of the first to report the issue in October, thinking the leaks could be linked to OpenAI scrapping Google to answer user prompts. It's something OpenAI has neither confirmed nor denied. If true, it could explain how sensitive queries ended up in a public system. This isn't the first time ChatGPT had privacy concerns. The AI has faced legal pressure to hand over user chat histories in high-profile cases, and other AI companies have faced fines for scrapping websites without permission. It's clear that AI chatbots aren't as private as many users assume. While OpenAI insists the issue is resolved, now anyone using ChatGPT or similar chatbots should think twice before sharing personal information, because what you type could wind up somewhere you never intended. Have you ever told ChatGPT your personal things like it's your BFF? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.